Imagine life with low vision. Actually, we don't have to. This is what it looks like. Everyday tasks, such as selecting the ideal condiment for a recipe, become exceedingly difficult. With reduced visual capabilities, the simplest actions transform into arduous endeavors. Identifying the right condiment becomes a daunting task, hindering the enjoyment of culinary experiences. That's why we created the Brinter, in association with DYMO, a label maker that prints in Braille and helps its users distinguish products with just a touch. With the help of the Brinter, everyone can pick up the right condiment for any recipe, without having to see it, but by just touching it. Saving time and giving visually impaired people the chance to enjoy cooking and other hobbies. Let's see how it works. To print a label, a user simply has to press the button and speak the word they want to print. Then a few moments later, a label with that word will appear. The DYMO printer is designed with a high contrast to assist users with some working vision in identifying the button and charging point. It consists of an Arduino, 4 motors, a mic, a stamping wheel, and gear system to feed the cartridge paper. When you speak a word on the mic, the wheel turns to each letter of the word and it gets stamped by the servo. After the word is complete, the paper is cut and handed to the user. To make it easier to use, the printer has wireless charging that clips on. Printer's box allows the high contrast principle, making it easier for users to identify it.